everyone, my name is Myriam and today we are doing some tuna boats. So to get started, I'm gonna go over the ingredients. We are gonna need some cucumbers. I cut these in half and I scooped out the insides. I have here some diced onions, some tuna, some oregano leaves, some pepper, and here I have mixed some soy sauce, some rice vinegar, and some lemon juice. And we are gonna use that for our sauce. So to get started, I'm gonna start by mixing my ingredients. I'm gonna put the tuna, and the onions, and we're gonna mix it all up with the sauce. I'm gonna add in some oregano leaves and some pepper. I really like this recipe because it's such a great meal. You have the protein from the tuna, the vegetables from the cucumbers, and the onions. And it's very tasteful and healthy and light. Now that it is all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the cucumbers. Like this. And there we have it. It was super easy to make. It takes less than 5 minutes and it is super healthy. And there we have it, cucumber tuna boats. So if you like this recipe, please comment and like this video, and thank you for watching.